In this video, we will learn how to upload a website on Hostinger step by step. So let's get started. First of all, visit Hostinger hPanel by typing in the following address hpanel.hostinger.com and log in. Now on the left sidebar, look for websites option and click on it. You will get list of all of your websites. Now you need to click on the dashboard button next to your website. On the following page, find and click on File Manager option. Now click on public_HTML folder. Now to upload your website, click on the upload icon. Then click on File. Now we have these three files of our static website. You can upload them directly or first zip them to upload faster. So I will zip them. Now select this file and click on Open. The zip file has been uploaded. Now to extract it, click on it and click Extract. You can choose folder name here, then click Extract. Now our files are in this folder. Now to move them in the home page, select all, then click on Move File. Now you can choose the destination of this file by clicking here, then click Move. Now our files are in the home page. Now let's visit our website. The website files are now live. So this is how you can upload your website in Hostinger. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.